Whoa there, partner. What colder than a cowboy's handshake at dawn and sweeter than his first love letter? You guessed it, the ice cream truck. We're talking popsicles, soft serve cones, and novelty bars that'll cool you down quicker than jumping in a horse trough on a July afternoon. One lick and you'll be smiling wider than a sheriff at Free Pie Night. That jingle rollin' down the street is like a dinner bell for your sweet-toothed kids, cowboys and outlaws alike come running with pockets jingling for frosty gold. Whether it's a chocolate-dipped cone, a rocket pop, or one of them cartoon character bars with wonky eyes, it's pure happy. From neighborhoods to fairs, ice cream trucks are the sweetest piece of Americana this side of the prairie. Now listen here. If this video made ya crave ice cream faster than a tumbleweed in a twister, hit your wagon to that follow button.